What's going on, guys? This is my MMA kicks tutorial. MMA kicks. I don't know much or anything like that, but I know all the basic stuff I always see in UFC all the time. And I got my stance. I'll show you guys. You're gonna start small. Couple kicks at a time, maybe just one. Couple kicks at a time, maybe just one. You're gonna start small, build up. You're just gonna go as much as you're comfortable with. You're not gonna struggle or get tired, because you're gonna be doing these exercises over and over again. You'll feel the effects of your practice not long after. Just a few practices, maybe more. You're about to go longer and longer. Your kicks will get better and better the more you practice. After that, just continue practicing until you're as good as you want to be. Simple as that. Let's get it started now. We're gonna do all kicks. Lower leg kick. Inner leg kick. And instead of an inner leg kick, you kick around here. And an inner leg kick around here. But we're gonna kick around here. We're going to do that one next. And then we're going to go for a thigh kick. Left thigh kick. And then we're going to go for a head kick. Left head kick now. Simple. That's all you have to do. I'll do them all again. I'll just continue doing them all over and over again until I think it's enough. take a step. If you're in your right hand stance like me, you take a step and then kick. I'll show you another kick. Alright, it's time for my karate kicks. Just gonna do a little tutorial. So you do left and right kick. That's how you do left and right kick. We're using this stance. If you're doing a kick like this, you can put your hands all the way up. When I go like this, when I do my kick, I'm putting my hands over my head like this. Putting my hands over my head like this. Good. You can do high and low kicks using this stance, whatever you choose. do high or low kicks. Good enough, guys. That's my kick tutorial for you. All the kicks I know. It's a good practice. My routine could be followed as is, but except the last one, the last routine, the last practice. That one could be mixed in with high or low kicks. I recommend an even amount. Anyway, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.